Hey guys, so I don't have much time, but do you know Mos Burger? Like right now we are in the Tsukimi season, the moon viewing season. It's a huge Japanese cultural event. I'll explain it in another video, but real quick, almost every restaurant, food chain is having the Tsukimi moon viewing menu right now. Even the pizza shops have it, but I got Mos Burger. I ordered it and it's going to be ready any minute, so I got to go. And then I also wanted to order McDonald's. Hope you can see it. The McDonald's burger. It's got a coupon, so I'm going to buy it. I've already got it in the cart. I'm going to check out. Hopefully this will go smoothly. The McDonald's app is so easy to use. So I prepare my order. And you can see from the map, I'm like super close. So I'll walk and it'll be ready. And then it'll probably be ready before the Mos Burger's ready. I ordered Mos Burger like 10 minutes ago. So anyway, I'm going to go get the burgers and then we're going to go up on the roof. And then we're going to have the Skimy moon viewing meals under the moon. Pretty cool, huh? I'll be back. There's the Mos Burger. McDonald's closing. Did they close? No, they're open. Okay, we got the McDonald's Skinny Burger. Look at this. Everything is skinny in Japan right now. Okay, next is Mos Burger. I feel kind of weird standing in line at Mos Burger with a McDonald's bag.
はい。それレシートの返しでございます。
レシートは
大丈夫ですか？
ありがとう。
ありがとうございます。
Okay, so I got the two burgers. We're gonna go up there, top of the roof, to eat these underneath the moon. Okay, I got the roof set up. I got the beer. Do you guys have this beer where you're from? It's got the really big lid. It tastes almost like draft beer. Not quite as good, but the problem with it is it explodes easily. But I noticed if you put it in the freezer for a while, it doesn't explode. There's the moon. Oh, it's hiding behind. Is that cool or what though? I hope it comes out. Okay, and let me show you guys. I got the table set up. The food is still in the bag, so we'll take them out. I'm so excited. Two of Japan's most popular hamburger shops, McDonald's versus not Burger King, McDonald's versus Mos Burger. So Mos Burger is a Japanese company, so Japanese people have a lot of pride about it. But McDonald's is more popular, but most people agree that Mos Burger's better. I used to think Mos Burger's better, now I kind of go both ways. Anyway, we're gonna find out for sure which of these two Tsukimi burgers is better. The moon's still trying to come up. Getting there, it's getting close. Okay, I know it looks like we've got some Blair Witch stuff going on. We kind of do. The moon's trying to peek its head up. Yeah, we'll get that later. It's trying, we're all trying. I got the beer ready, I'll put that down for now. So, what you've been waiting for, McDonald's Skinny Burger versus Mos Burger Skinny Burger. Let's see what we got. Skimy, ski means moon, and mi means view or gaze. So kind of like stargazing, but only moon gazing. And this is an ancient Japanese tradition to celebrate the harvest, the vernal equinox. Is that right? Which I think is next week actually, but this is the full moon before the vernal equinox. And the Japanese people, they love nature, they love the moon, so, well, I think everybody does. So here we go, first, the McDonald's burger. And actually, I'm not gonna lie, I had this the other day and it was so good. And the Mos Burger is actually not a burger. It's like a hot dog, actually. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Okay, so we've got meat, egg, bacon, cheese, and the sauce is really good, and this bread is really good. It's not like your normal McDonald's bread. This is almost like a naan. It's connected here. We've got 2 wieners, cabbage, and the egg. So in Japan, usually, traditionally, for tsukimi, they use dango. So dango is kind of like omochi, but omochi is made from a rice, like they mash a special sticky rice together to make omochi. Dango is made from rice flour. It's not flour as the West knows, but it's a rice flour. And the Japanese use the dango, and they roll it up to make it round to represent the moon. Anyway, I'm gonna make a video all about that. Today, we're talking about these fast food. I'm gonna go with this one first, because I've never had it. Mos Burger is always really messy. When you ask a Japanese person the difference between Mos Burger and McDonald's, is they'll say that Mos Burger is more expensive but better quality. Oh, and they take a long time to make. You usually have to wait quite long. That it's supposed to be fresh. But actually these two are almost the same price. So for the moon viewing, what they do, the moon's coming out, is they put the dango on a tray or an altar, and then they'll put like some seasonal vegetables, kind of a cattail that's like that they put, and as a decoration, and then they put it in front of the window or outside under the moon as an offering to the moon. So actually, sorry moon. Oh, the moon came out to eat it. Okay, so yeah, actually this is an offering to the moon. Let's see if we can pull in on that. So you give it, you offer it to the moon. お月様、よろしくお願いします。And you offer it to the moon. And this is where you're supposed to be with your family or friends, and you talk about how you're thankful for nature and for the beauty of the moon and for the harvest. And then after the moon has received your offering, then you eat it. It's really good. If you ever come to Japan, I hope you'll try Mos Burger. This Skimy burger will not probably be available unless it's this time of year. I like spicy food. I love Mexican food, so I like to buy their spicy Mos Burger. It has jalapeno in it. It's a hamburger with their Mos sauce. Their Mos sauce is like a chili, and then they put jalapeno. All right, lots of cheese. Maybe not. Here we go. I've always been a hamburger guy more than a hot dog guy. That's a lot of cheese. McDonald's has 3 different Skimy burgers. The other 2 I've had, not that great. It's the same ones they've had over the years. This is new this year. And it's got a different kind of bread. It's fluffy. That's why it's called fluffy. And then melty. Fluffy, melty Skimy burger. Melty has just got tons of cheese. So if you like cheese, you definitely like this. And then there's egg. I was planning to get some close-ups of these burgers before, B-roll before, but I ate them first. Darn it. I'm worried this thing's gonna explode. Oh! It did. Yeah, I didn't put it in the freezer. See how big the cap is? It's kind of like drinking from a cup. Beautiful moon. Have you ever heard that ice cream tastes better on a fork than a spoon? Logic behind it is that there's less stainless steel and more ice cream touching your tongue. I wonder if it's the same principle for this. Good. Well, actually, both burgers are about 500 yen, which is about under $4, right? But if I got the burger, the Skimy burger at McDonald's with fries, medium fries and a drink, it would have come to about over 800 yen. So for nearly the same price of getting the burger and the fries and a drink, you could get 2 burgers. Sure, you've seen enough. It's really good. I wish you were here. It's awfully lonely eating here by myself. But you guys were joining me, so it's not as bad. Thanks, guys. That was so fun for me. Thanks for joining. The moon is so beautiful tonight. Anyway, which burger do you think looked better? The hot dog style Mos Burger or the McDonald's hamburger style? I'm looking forward to making the video that talks about the tradition of the Tsukimi. I really love this channel because it gives me an excuse to get out and do the things in Japan that I love to do. If it wasn't for this channel, I would just work. Anyway, thanks for pushing me out to have fun, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.
Can't stop, won't stop, just like a rolling stone.